welcome back in our YouTube channel. And this is me, Liza.
This is me, Leia.
And here we are again for another vlog. Ngayon guys, ang gagawin namin is
Poor
Poor kid versus rich kid. Ikaw yung poor kid, ako yung rich kid. Oh! Dali pa. Dali. 1, 2, 3, go.
Proud na yung ko. Proud na rin.
Dapat ano na lang yun.
Yung bag. O, anong
Ako
gagawin?
ang mahirap siya kung mayaman. Narin kaya.
Okay.
Ito
Huwag ka nagpadala ba? Kunin mo na lang
Iba
yan.
na naman ang mga ano mo.
Sige ba?
Hindi na bayad na sa lugar.
Bye.
Hi, mother. Yeah, I'm going to China. What? I want to eat in Manila. And I'm going to dinner in Korea. And I'm going to lunch is Japan. And I'm going to buy my bag in
Amerika?
America. Yeah, I want the money. You know, I got a flower. I don't have the money. Give me a money. Yes, I want the money. Yeah, of course. My shoes is very okay, but I want a new shoes because my shoes is so dirty. Because maalaga ko sa aking katawan. Opo. Yes. Okay, goodbye. Sa namin ang challenge. Ngayon guys, mag-challenge naman kami yung patawan challenge. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. And please click the button. Bye guys.